Hey guys, it's Sergio over here at Taylor Dodge in Bourbonnais, Illinois. I have James here. James just bought a 2018 Chrysler 300. It has all the bells and whistles on it as far as like 8.4 screens, got the Apple CarPlay, dual climate control, Bluetooth, backup camera, all the goodies. So he traded out of his Challenger into the Chrysler 300. He's just going to tell you real quick how his experience went with me today and the Taylor Dodge family. He's also a repeat customer. He bought here, what, 3 years? 3 years ago. He bought here
three cars too from here.
3 cars, so this is the 3rd car. So he's no stranger to us, and we do appreciate his repeat business and coming back to us. He could go anywhere else. There's thousands, hundreds of thousands of different places he can go and buy cars, but he chooses to come back and deal with us at Taylor Dodge. It's my first time working with him, but he's going to tell you real quick how his experience was with me and the Taylor Dodge family.
Well, Taylor Dodge family is always good to deal with. Sergio here, he got me quick and painless results of what I was looking at for a car. The 300, like he says, is awesome. Everything he did was knowledgeable and helpful, and definitely come in and see Sergio.
All right, thank you so much. Wish you many miles on your vehicle.
Thank you.
Drive it like you stole it. He might be, if you're in the market, he might start Uber here pretty soon, and he'll give you some rides, all right? So look up James White, and thank you all for watching. Come and see Sergio over at see Sergio at Taylor Dodge at 815-935-7900. Thank you so much.